Okay, so apparently it's kind of cold today. I'm gonna be shooting here at Carlton Gardens. It's so windy. I believe you can hear it from my microphone. Let's see how the day goes. I'm glad I got a 4-hour parking because yeah, parking's so far fucking hard to look for these days. But yeah, glad we did. Yeah, I'm like an hour early for when I need to be here. And the thing is, I don't know what to go. I'm gonna just go look for food. I still have an hour and 10 to go. So yeah, let's go. So today's gonna be a quick shoot for me. I'm just gonna be there for the ceremony, help out Josiah with a video. Other than that, it's nothing more. A lot of kids here at Carlton Gardens. I don't know where to go. I can go to the museum, but I don't have money and I don't. Just gonna look for food. Where am I gonna buy food here? Should use Google Maps then. Anyway, yeah, I'm here early. Supposed to help them up with shooting at around 1 p.m. and I end up coming early. And yeah, I'm glad to find a good parking. Like it's a 4-hour parking, that should be fine. Okay, let's go. So cold. Really freaking so cold. I'm gonna go back to the car. I'm gonna wait for them. They're gonna be coming over early, so I'll see how we go. But it's really cold. I'm going back to the car now. I'm gonna charge my microphone also. Okay, here we go now. Just had a bit of rest in the car, and when I closed the tailgate, I hit my head with it. First time ever I hit my head with a tailgate, which is so annoying. Anyway, they say they're heading there. So I'm coming over and I'm gonna do a shortcut. I'm gonna go through here. So that should be the way, but I'm moving this way here. And it's so windy. It's really annoyingly windy. Anyway, talk to you when I get there. Oh, didn't realize there's graduation today. Like those people out there, they're so tiny, but yeah, I reckon they just graduated. So yeah, heading to the fountain. I'm gonna do a shortcut again. So heading here. And there's the fountain. Oops, too much. Yeah, I reckon I can see Josiah now. He's setting up. Oh, so I think they're there. Yeah, I think they're there. Okay, let's go. Is this guy here? Parang sa movies lang.
No, parang nasa ibang bansa. Nasa Europe.
Hey, okay, tapos go closer to each other, give each other a hug. Huwag tumingin sa camera. Yeah. Tapos tingin kayo na Mabs, tingin kayo na Mabs. Tawa-tawa. Salamat boss, ingat sa biyahe. Hi.
Sige boss.
Sige boss.
Tapos mo lang mag-shoot.
Ano?
Paperlitions na ako bukas.
Ay, langya ka. Sige boss.
Boss, ingat.
So apparently I just woke up and my voice sounds hoarse. It's around 10:30 a.m. I was planning to edit that vlog with Josiah where we did shoot the wedding with him. And yeah, I didn't film anything. I'm just gonna give you snippets of what happened or what was filmed today. Because yeah, didn't have time to film myself. I think I even lost my DJI mic for the Osmo Pocket 3 in that event and I hate it. But I think it could be just around the house, that thingy, or I kind of lost it. If I've lost it, that's gonna suck big time. But anyway, yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna finish editing and just enjoy the rest of the footage. Just what happened today, whatever was filmed. So yeah. Okay. It kind of sucks because I was trying to compare it with this camera here, and I realized that I was not on the 20, and I think, yeah, I was not on the focal length of 20, so it's not the same view. But this is now the same view. Check it out. There you go. It's not focusing on it. Anyway. And also I need to go to Costco today. I need to buy some stuff from there. Gusto ko pa ito. I'm gonna need to buy some longanisa from Costco. Need to buy her longanisa. I need to fold my laundry. I need to wash the dishes now. I need to get the bins outside kanang mga basura kasi I need to do my laundry. I've started a laundry thing, the washing machine, and yeah, there's a lot of things to do today. Also, as I was organizing the files, I realized that I was also shooting a reception last Sunday for Benj and Pamela, and it was so cool because they did their wedding in the snowy mountains, and I saw their photos, and they were doing snowboarding while on the suit and on the dress. That was so cool. I would have loved to do that. The thing is, I just can't shred. I can't ski. I know a bit of snowboarding, and if I did snowboarding, I might have ruined my gears. But yeah, I could bring the A7C in the 2870, and that will be fine. But yeah, that was what I saw, and that was cool. Hopefully, I can do one of those in the future. That would be very cool. I got some footage of the reception. I did film a bit of their first dance. My voice is still hoarse because I haven't had my coffee, and it's around nearly 12. But anyway, yeah, I did film a bit of the dancing, and also did some good photos for the day. So yeah, that was a good Sunday. Yeah, Monday, got tired, went to sleep the whole day. Yeah, okay. The pre-wedding photos were so good, and I take pride with my photos. But the thing is, when I look at their photos, it was I can say they were good, and I can see some photoshopping, blurring of the background. I can see some errors in photoshopping, like some parts here which were not blurred properly, or the transition was not good. And I can see photoshopping the face. It was trying to skin soften the face or whatever. But yeah, when I look at the whole photo, it looks good. I can see the mistakes, but the thing is, you just have to appreciate the photo as it is, and you should appreciate how good the whole scene was made. If there were errors, and that's fine. If it's an acceptable error, that's fine. If it's a really crappy error, and that's what you try to rant and talk about. But the thing is, I look at this as a whole, and it was a good photo. The colors, they were putting tones around, like they were in the forest, and it was about green, and then everything was a bit greenish, and all the other colors other than the green were muted, except for the skin tone, because you need the skin tone. You don't know want your face to look green. They were in this old Chinese temples, and they were wearing the red dress, and the temples were red, so I can see a lot of reds coming out, and the other colors were muted. So that's a lot of work with the photos. Like I try to do natural photos, but those ones, they were good. And despite I'm seeing a bit of issues with editing, like the blurring of the background, it was still good, and it was on print. So when you can see it on print, and that's like not pixel peeping, you can see it. It's there. But if you appreciate the photo as it is, and it's really good. Some people like, this is, you can see the editing here is a bit smudge, but you just try to appreciate the photo as it is, the whole photo, not just that simple mistake, and you'd be good. I love it. Yeah, those photos were so awesome.